The first detail to be installed on Garland's R-Mer Shield standing seam system is the Eave trim along the low edge of the roof perimeter. This video will provide you with a step-by-step guide through a typical Eave condition installation. Start by installing the continuous hold-down cleat to the wall face, fastening every 12 inches on center. Ensure the fasteners are positioned low on the cleat to provide maximum securement of the Eave trim. Lap the roof underlayment over the top of the hold-down cleat. Hook the 10-foot Eave trim onto the cleat and rotate it onto the field of the roof. Fasten the trim to the substrate every 12 inches on center, making sure the fasteners are installed near the top of the trim and positioned behind the foam closure. Remove the release backer from the neoprene Eave/Valley foam and roll it onto the Eave trim below the fasteners. The neoprene foam closure should be continuous along the length of the Eave trim. Apply 2 rows of a non-curing butyl sealant over the top of the neoprene foam closure. This creates a watertight seal between the foam closure and the base of the metal panel. Position your first panel with a 1.5-inch overhang at the Eave. Secure the assembly using the extruded aluminum R-Mer Shield clips. The center of the clip should be 9 inches from the edge of the roof to ensure proper panel attachment. Subsequent clips should be spaced following the site-specific shop drawings as outlined in the R-Mer Shield clip and panel attachment application excellence video. Apply 2 rows of the non-curing butyl sealant between the panel legs directly above the foam closure prior to installation of adjacent panels. Install adjacent panels following the same process. Subsequent clip attachment and installation of the R-Mer Shield top rail and seam cap are outlined in the R-Mer Shield clip and panel attachment application excellence video. Secure the hemmed edge stiffener at the base of the installed panels using 1/8-inch stainless steel rivets, following the rivet locations on the panel diagrams shown. Installation of the edge stiffener is a necessary step to strengthen the panel at the edge and ensure the system acts as a monolithic layer against uplift pressures. The factory notched seam cap ends should be turned down using a rubber mallet to enclose the ends of the panel seams. Garland, partners for the life of your building.